Hello everyone, welcome back to Africa Unicademy. If you've ever wanted to create a professional website for yourself or your business without coding and without paying, then today's video is for you. In few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a free website using Soloist.ai. So, let's get started. Step 1. Go to your browser on your computer or mobile phone and search for Soloist.ai. Scroll down to see it here. Click to open. Now here is the interface of the Soloist.ai. This is what we need to build our website for free. Now click on Create Website. Now you will need to provide some few information to build your website. The first question here is, what's your website about? Briefly provide information about what your website is all about. It can for school or selling product. Simply write it here. Let me just put something inside for the sake of this tutorial. Next is your business name. I believe you must have your name before even start build your website. So here you input your business name. For the sake of this tutorial, I just put in Otter Catering Service. Then next is business location, which is optional. You may want to insert your location or decided not to. Let me just leave it for now. Next, here you can simply import information to use from your previous website here or information on your Facebook or LinkedIn account. If you want to do so, just provide the link to your website or Facebook and this AI will search and import them to build your website. But for the sake of this tutorial, we will skip this step and click Next. Now you can select font style for your website. Let me just keep it simple. I pick Luxurious. Next is to select our colors. As you can see, we have different colors. Depending on your business brand, you can choose which one is more appeal to you. Let me choose this one. Then, now we will have to select website sections. What and what do you want on your website? By default, we have all these already selected for us, but if you still need more, you just click to add or click back to remove. Let's just leave it as it is and click on Create the website. Then here we go. Our website is built and ready to preview. Just like that. That is the power of AI. So now let's click to preview the website. Here it is. Just look at this. Incredible. This is unbelievable. In just less than 3 minutes, we have a website built to our taste. Step 2. Edit our website. Now that we have previewed our new website and it's good looking, then let me quickly show you how you can customize this website to fit your taste. Firstly, let me show the functions of these icons on top here. Under Settings here, click. Here you can be able to edit your company name and after editing, you click on Save. Next here is the theme and under the theme, you can change your color, font style, size. Basically, you can change the way your website appears here. Next is Sections. Under Sections, you can edit each sections to suit your taste. Click here to open each sections and edit. Change the text, color, or size. You can do this to all sections and also you can rearrange section. Don't forget to save after you've done. Next is Add Page. You can only get access to add more pages to your website after you sign up and sign in. And next is Preview button. When clicked, you will be able to preview the website either in mobile or desktop mode. On mobile mode, here it is, you can preview exactly the way it will appear on a mobile phone. And to desktop, here it is. You see how it will appear on a computer. As you can see, everything is editable. Let's try and edit this first section. Click Edit. You can see the heading, the paragraph, and the image used in this section. You can change the text, add or remove. Likewise, the image you can click to replace it. You can choose from the gallery inside or upload your own image and it will appear here and you just select. Same thing applied to all sections of this website. Click to edit each section and don't forget to save. Step 3. Publish your website. Now that you have finished editing your website, the final step now is publish the website and make it available for everyone on internet to access. Click on Publish, right top corner here. Now you will need to log in or sign up if you are using this for the first time. For this tutorial, I will just log in using one of my Google account. After successfully log in, you can click on it again and you will be asked to check your domain name before publishing. Once you are okay and the web address is available, then click on Publish, and within a second, your website is live on internet and can be accessed by anyone across the globe. Finally, let me show you this button here called Share. When click on it, you will be able to see your website domain name, copy it, and share with your clients or customer. You can share the link on your Facebook page, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media. One thing is sure, your website is up and run. No payment for domain, hosting, or maintenance, and is there forever. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, share, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational and digital skill videos. This is Africa Unicademy, the #1 online learning platform, empowering Africa through knowledge. See you in the next video.